Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Dodge's 1981 to 1993 Ram W150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your truck's bed. Move any lines and power harnesses away from the work area. Step 3. Grind away any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area and spray it with a weld-through primer. Slide the Rustbuster rear frame section onto the frame rail using the factory frame holes for alignment. Step 4. Tack weld the part in place and confirm the alignment. Following proper welding procedure, fully weld all edges of the frame section to the frame rail. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall all lines and power harnesses, then lower and reinstall your truck's bed. Now, get back out on the road.